Hello, welcome to Learn to Crochet with Daisy. In today's lesson, we will learn how to make the double crochet. The abbreviation for double crochet is DC, and this is the symbol. It looks like a half double crochet with a bar in the middle. Now let's get started. I have here a chain 12. The turning chain for DC is a chain 3, so we will skip the first 3 chains. Yarn over, insert the hook into the 4th chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So this is how we make the double crochet. Let me show you again. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Keep working this way till the end of the row, and I will show you how to start a new row. I have completed this row. To start a new row, chain 3 and turn. This chain 3 will replace the first stitch. That means we do not have to make a stitch in the first stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into the second stitch and complete the DC. Keep working in every stitch across, and I will show you how to finish this row. I have reached the end of this row. Can you see the chain 3 that we skipped in the beginning? This chain 3 will be considered as a stitch. So that means we need to make a stitch on top of this chain 3. So yarn over, insert your hook on top of the chain 3 and pull up a loop and complete the last DC. So this is how you end a row while making a double crochet. Keep practicing this stitch, and I will meet you in the next lesson where we will learn how to make the double crochet increase and decrease. Happy hooking!